been selling on Poshmark for about a year now, and I've learned a lot. And on my channel, I'll be sharing with you all the things that I've learned on Poshmark. Oh my goodness, I just got these braces and it's so difficult for me to talk, so sometimes you'll hear me not pronounce words properly, or I'll be moving my lips in certain ways because I'm not used to the braces. But yeah, and you might hear some sounds in this video because you know what, it's online school going on in my household, so you might hear some chitter chatter in the background. But yeah, so in this video I'm going to be talking about how to source for free without even spending any money. If you're a first time Poshmark seller, yeah, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to source without spending any money. The first one is obviously to go to your own closet and just declutter, take out everything that you no longer need or it fits you but still in good condition. And also, if you live with other people, go through their closet and see what they have or what they don't need anymore. Another thing that you can do is also to go to your co-workers. I work full-time, so usually every few months I talk to my co-workers every few months, you know, to let them know that whatever they don't need, they can bring it for me. Just pass it along to me. I don't mind. Now, another thing that you can do is go to your neighbors. Now, your neighbors, everybody does decluttering once in a while. You can let them know that whatever they don't need, they can pass it on along to you. Garage sales. Ooh, garage sales. Now, go to garage sales and let the person know that you are willing to take whatever they don't sell, whatever they don't need, they don't want. Because basically when people do garage sales, why do they do it? To declutter their house, to get rid of things. So at the end of the garage sale, return, yeah, and ask for the stuff that they haven't sold and they're willing to give away for free. Another thing that you can do is expand on what you sell. Just don't focus on yourself and only on female stuff. You can also source things from your friends' children's clothing. Yeah, I sell a lot of children's clothing and shoes, and also games is another one too. Games, books. You can also get source games, books, toys, and also household items like dishes and decorations for your house. Just expand. Just think out of the box and you know, take those items and list it on in your closet and see if it sells. If it doesn't sell, then you know not to source those items anymore. But if it sells, then good for you. So I think that's about it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about how to sell on Poshmark Canada and how to save money, because you know what, I'm all about saving money, because you know I don't have money like that, so I'm not about to spend when I can save. So if you want to save money while you're selling on Poshmark, subscribe to my channel, and every week I will try to upload a video once or twice a week. Let me know how you source for $0. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you really like this video.